Hello guys, welcome to Is Perfect Business YouTube channel. Today in this video we'll be talking on how to start a groundnut business. Please don't forget to like, comment and click the notification bell. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, show some love. Thank you. This is warm water. You leave it for 5 minutes on fire. Don't allow it to boil. So right now we have 10 cups here in this rubber. So we are going to turn it into the big bowl. First of all, we are going to put salt into this water. This is 250 gram, Mr. Chef, 250 gram. So we'll pour it inside the water. Then you stir the water. Then this is 1 pint rubber of groundnut and the second pint rubber. So these 2 pint rubber of groundnut, we'll be turning it into this rubber. Then you stir it. You stir very well so that the salt can be able to enter inside the groundnut. After 20 to 30 minutes, you remove it from the water and spread it so that it will dry. Spread it in the sun so that it will dry off. You have to filter the sand to remove the big stone from it. Filter it very well. So after you finish filtering it, you have to pour your groundnut on it. So when you pour your groundnut on it, then you start frying it. You turn and turn until it gets brown. Once it's brown, you know that the groundnut is already good to go. The groundnut is already okay like this. Only what you got to do, when you are frying it, you peel it. Once the back can be able to remove like this, it's already okay. Then you pack it off from there. Are you guys seeing it? Before peeling it, after you remove it from fire, you have to leave it to settle down so that it will be able to cook. Then you can be able to peel it and it will not break like this. It's because it's hot, that's why it's giving you this kind of breaking. And now we are going to pack it and filter it out. So guys, after frying it, you will allow it to cool down. When it's cold, you look for something to store it like cellophane, leather, or anything that you know that breeze cannot enter. You store it there. Now we are about to start the business whereby we used to use this bottle for sales. So after finish peeling it, we have to put it in this bottle. So right now what you just need to do, you don't need to start peeling it immediately. So you just pick one and peel it one after the other so that you don't have breakable groundnut and it can be able to fit in the bottle and customer will see it. It's very nice and purchase from you. So this is how you do it. Hope you are seeing it. Don't go and start using hand to squeeze it. If you use hand to squeeze it, it will break. It will just give you something like this. So just do it one after the other. Well, it's very fast when doing it. So guys, please don't forget to like this video. Subscribe, see what I'm saying? So you do gently. So you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell and drop your comment. Whenever you fry a perfect groundnut like this, after you finish peeling it, you just have to blow away the shaft. We have finished blowing our groundnut. Now we'll package it inside this bottle. Here is the groundnut. We have finished putting them inside the bottle. It's time for us to cover it. We do use this kind of cover. So once you cover it like this, it fits on it. Then you use sellotape. So guys, as you can see, we are done producing the groundnut. We are finished wrapping it. So the groundnut is already good to go to market and sell. You can put it in front of your house and sell it. You can supply. You know how to market your business now. You can tell I do make groundnut, so you supply your groundnut to them, and it's very very good. Don't forget to subscribe. If you know you find this YouTube channel very useful to you and you produce your own groundnut very well, drop your comment also. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.